Imagine a scenario where two of our solar system's iconic planets, Earth and Mars, find themselves on a collision course. What if these two worlds, each teeming with its own unique characteristics, were destined to collide and form a new planet? The approach. As Earth and Mars drift closer, the gravitational forces between them start to intensify. Tidal forces begin to stretch and distort both planets, leading to a dramatic shift in their landscapes. The collision. Upon collision, the energy released is beyond imagination. The impact causes both planets to disintegrate, their materials merging in a fiery maelstrom of molten rock and gases. Formation of a new planet. From the chaos, a new planetary body begins to form. The remnants of Earth and Mars merge into a single, massive planet, a testament to the power of cosmic forces. The new world. Over time, the new planet starts to cool and solidify. It develops a new atmosphere and potentially new oceans. This newly formed world, born from the collision of two distinct planets, could harbor unique geological and climatic conditions. The future. In this new chapter of the solar system, the collision of Earth and Mars creates a world of possibilities. As it settles into its new place in the cosmos, it stands as a testament to the ever-changing nature of our universe. The universe is full of wonders and possibilities. Who knows what other cosmic events await us in the future? Subscribe for more cosmic explorations and scientific marvels.